Hello YouTube. I hope you are all keeping well out there. This is the third tutorial in the drum synthesis series, this time looking at making a cymbal sound. Let's see our ingredients. So we will be envelope noise again, with quite a specific filter set to emulate the 808 hi-hats. We add to this some harmonic square wave oscillators and a cheap reverb, and finally a simple, short, delay line. Just as we did with the snare, we are going to create a new patch. Add an easy DAC, a button, a noise object, and a simple volume envelope. This time the envelope is linear and not exponential though. Notice that this does not actually go to zero, it just provides a slight dip in volume. We are going to add another envelope at the end of the patch that does the actual decay to zero. I'm going to put these in different sub-patches so that it's clear what's going on. Between the two envelopes, I'm going to create a bank of SPF filters with different settings. Note that the first filter is a low pass and the others are all high pass. The low pass is at 7000 Hz, then two consecutive high pass filters at 6800 Hz, and finally another high pass at 1200 Hz. Make sure you use the right outlets for the low and high pass filters as shown here. For the reverb, I'm going to use this reverb that comes with Max. I will initialize it to a 500 millisecond decay time. I'm also going to massively reduce the volume of the output because this makes it go pretty mental. Moving on, we want a set of 6 square wave oscillators at all of more or less unrelated frequencies. This gives us a bit of bite and a metallic sheen to the whole thing. I'm adding these multiple boxes so that I can send a single frequency value and have the different oscillators adjust their values accordingly. You can try your own ratios if you like, but try and avoid nice clean numbers. Stuff that into a sub-patch. There we go. You might want a control here to adjust the volume of the oscillators before they go onto the filters. Let's give it a try. Super. As in the other tutorials, let's put it all in one neat sub-patch by encapsulating it and tidy things up a little bit. Now we can put in a few quick presets with the pattern storage object and set up a regular preset object to control it. Shift-click to save a few nice presets. Finally, put the nodes object in here too by grabbing it from the nodes help file. I have got 5 presets this time, so I am going to need to tweak the load mesh object to only have the numbers 1 to 5 and then change the nodes inspector so there are 5 nodes. Remember, you can resize a node by holding the Alt key and dragging. Let's try it all out. Maybe a bit faster. Great. Good, clean, fun.